Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Section 465 Passive Activity Rules Understanding for Investors, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable an understanding of Section 465 Passive Activity Rules for Investors, begin by familiarizing yourself with the basics of passive activities. Passive activities generally include rental properties and businesses in which you do not materially participate. Understand that Section 465 relates specifically to limitations on the losses you can claim from these passive activities. Identify whether your investment qualifies as passive under the IRS guidelines. Research the criteria for material participation, which can affect how your losses are treated. Know that you are allowed to offset passive gains with passive losses, but losses cannot exceed your passive income. Determine the types of income you receive, as only passive income can be used to offset passive losses. Explore the concept of a passive activity loss against your total income. Learn about the at-risk rules, which are separate but important when considering your investment. Understand the requirements for being considered at risk in your investments to accurately calculate. Review IRS Form 8582, which is essential for reporting your passive activity losses and credits. Complete Form 8582 accurately by entering your passive activity income, losses, and credits. If your losses exceed your passive income, be prepared to carry those losses forward to future tax years. Stay informed about any changes to tax laws related to passive activities, as these can affect your investments. Consider consulting a tax professional for personalized advice tailored to your specific investment situation. Document your material participation to better substantiate your claims during tax filing. Keep abreast of IRS publications that provide further insights into Section 465 rules and regulations. Regularly assess your investment strategies in light of passive activity rules to optimize tax benefits. By following these steps, you'll develop a clearer understanding of how to navigate Section 465 passive activity rules as an investor. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.